How to use Peacock on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Peacock on mobile. So to use Peacock on mobile, you need to first open up or install app. So open up your respective app store, type in Peacock TV on the search bar and install Peacock onto your device. Once the application is completely installed, click on the open button, and now it's time for you to create an account. So to create an account, you simply want to click on the sign up button. Then you want to use the credentials, such as whether you want to go with the Gmail or phone number, all that you selected. After which you want to go ahead and provide in your verification code and create a password, follow this on-screen prompt and get the subscription of a premium version. And that is how you should be able to use Peacock on mobile. Now you do not have to get an app, you could also use the browser version of it. So all you need is peacock.com, and that is how you should be able to use Peacock on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.